Massage guns have become really popular over the last couple of years. You can find high-end designer brands for as much as $600 or cheap Amazon alternatives for 50 bucks. Now, massage guns use a form of therapy called percussion, and there is merit to it. Percussion has been found to reduce perceived muscle soreness, so it can be helpful. Now, as somebody who treats people with musculoskeletal injuries, I hear a lot of funny ways that people are using their massage guns. So I want to make sure that you are using it properly so you can get the most out of it, and most importantly, so you are not hurting yourself while you're doing it. So my first piece of advice is to not massage over bones, tendons, or joints. Now this may seem obvious, but if you're not well versed in anatomy, you may not know if that tender nodule that you're feeling is a muscle knot or just a bone. So the best thing to do is just to stay away from the busy areas like the joints. Try to stay away from massaging around the elbow or shoulder or knee. Go in between the joints. That's where the muscle bellies live. Now, when in doubt, feel it out. I just made that up, but it's good advice. So use your opposite hand to feel the area. If the area feels like a soft muscle, great, then you can massage it out. If you start feeling little like bumpy contours like bones or tendons, let's not massage gun over those things. Massage over the muscle. The next piece of advice is to start superficial or light and then go deeper. If you try to go too hard right off the bat, the muscle's just gonna push against you and you're not gonna be doing any good. So start light. If you feel like the muscle or you feel like you can give more into it, then go for it. But sometimes if you just work lightly on the muscle, it'll relax on its own and you don't need to go any deeper. Tip number 3, after you're done massage gunning an area, gently stretch the muscle or move the muscle afterwards. So if you're massaging over the hamstring, for instance, stretch your hamstring or move your hamstring around after you've done it. This will help those changes last longer. You're gonna get more blood flow into the muscle. Your brain's gonna recognize those changes that you made to the muscle. So make sure you're doing something active after you've used your massage gun. Last piece of advice, and this is really important, don't try to treat pain on your own with your massage gun. As I mentioned earlier, the massage gun or percussion is really good for treating perceived muscle soreness. When you're trying to treat pain, it's a whole different ballgame. Pain could be coming from somewhere else. It could be not muscular at all. So if you're experiencing pain, see a medical professional. Don't just go pounding away with your massage gun on a painful spot. It could make it worse.